So it's finally time for the big prize draw. I'm so thankful for the opportunity to have been at the Immigrant Women Entrepreneurs Forum on Saturday. So thankful for all of you who came up, talked to me, asked questions, and entered our prize draw. I just wanted to do something to thank everybody for that support at the forum. So I am really excited to do this random draw and give one of you the Entrepreneur Starter Kit prize pack that we put together. But first, again, I just want to say how incredible the forum was on Saturday. I hope you guys received a lot just like I did. The speakers were amazing. Getting to meet so many immigrant women who have started businesses was amazing. I've made so many new connections. I'm just excited to start, just to hit the ground running and keep connecting with you guys, and hopefully I will see you all at monthly IEC meetups. So without further ado, let's get started on the prize draw. I'm really excited about this. I'm just gonna share the wheel right here so that you all can see a random draw. So I put all of the names in the entered the prize draw, and we're going to do a random selection. So I will click to spin. Here we go. These are going to be, oh, it's slowing down. It's slowing down. And, oh my goodness, it is so close. Oh my gosh, congratulations, Renee. We'll be in contact with you by email to arrange getting you your prize pack. Congratulations on winning, and I hope to see you soon.